In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $900 or more in a day selling digital products that you don't even have to create yourself, working just 2 hours around your schedule, and you get to keep 100% of the profits because this is high ticket marketing with master resale rights. That's how we earn 100% profit. It's not MLM, it's not affiliate marketing. There's no small commissions, there's no uplines, there's no downlines, and there's no middleman. So if you're new here, my name is Dan. I'm from Michigan. I used to be a monk for 10 years, and now I help everyday people make money online without having to work a job. I help everyday people hit 6 or 7 figures online. Okay, serious money. We're not talking about a little extra money. We're talking about how to become rich. Because long story short, the company that I was working for like 5 years, they decided to cut my pay in half, and I didn't have a backup plan. And then once they did that, I decided I never wanted to work for anybody else again because there's basically two ways to make money. You can work for somebody else, build someone else's business and make them rich, or you can work for yourself, build your own business and make yourself rich. Okay. So I want to be rich. That's why I started my business, right? So I could live that rich life. So I could buy that dream house. So I could buy that dream car. So I could go on those dream vacations and do the things that I want without having to look at my bank account. Okay, so maybe that's you. Maybe you're like overworked, you're underpaid, you're working 40 plus hours a week, but you don't have enough time or money to do the things that you want to do. And you're looking for ways to make money online. And you've tried things before, but you failed. Like I tried so many things. I tried affiliate marketing, multi-level marketing, failed miserably because I didn't know how to market. Now I know how to market based on what I've learned from this program. Okay. So what is this? This is digital marketing. It's one of the fastest growing industries. And what do? We basically sell done for you digital programs inside of the e-learning industry. So not only can you learn from these programs, but you can resell them and you earn 100% profit per sale. Okay, the e-learning industry is like $1 billion a day industry. Okay, so these products are education, information, training, right? So this is how it works. Let me break it down. Okay. So like how do businesses make money? Businesses make money by selling products, opportunities, or services. Okay. So step number one, you need a product. You need to sell something that's in high demand. That means people are purchasing this. Okay. So this is an all-in-one business in a box. It's a turnkey business, which means you don't have to create anything. It's plug and play. You just got to set it up. So we give you the products, we give you the website, we give you the sales funnel so you can make money in your sleep. We give you community where there's training, there's support, there's motivation, inspiration. There's live mentoring from 6 and 7 figure incrementers. You get all of that. Okay. So you need a product, right? And you want to earn 100% profit because it's better. So if you look at all the other business models, it doesn't matter what it is, MLM, affiliate marketing, e-shipping, drop shipping, e-commerce fulfilled by Amazon. Okay. Look at all these other business models, offline businesses. On average, they only earn 10 to 30% profit per sale. Okay. We earn 100% profit per sale. And most of them, besides like, most affiliate offers, but some affiliate too. But most of those business opportunities, they have monthly fees. So there's a lot of monthly fees and expenses that go into running those businesses. We have no monthly fees. Okay, no monthly fees here, and we earn 100% profit. So if you compare it to the other business models, like objectively, this is better based on the fact that we have zero monthly fees and we earn 100% profit per sale. Okay. So step number two, you want to automate your business. Now we give you a pre-built system. I'm going to show you what it looks like in a second. I'm going to share my screen. So this pre-built system, it's a sales funnel. This is doing the selling for you. This is how you earn passive income. This is how you make money while you're sleeping. Okay. So how does it work? Someone goes to your link, right? They put their email in. You're building your email list. That's all we're doing. We're building our email list. Once they're inside of your automations, they can buy from you at any time. Okay. They're going through the sales funnel. They're watching videos. These videos are answering the questions and doing the selling for you. Okay. And then we give you 30 emails to start off with. These are high converting emails. Okay, created by millionaires, and this whole sales funnel was created by millionaires too. Okay. So these emails are being sent out on autopilot. So every day someone's going to get an email from you. Your lead. Your lead is your potential buyer. It's your potential customer. They're going to get an email from you every single day on autopilot. This is how you make money while you're sleeping. And this is how you make money without even talking to people. Like total strangers will buy from you. Okay. So these emails are being sent out because the fortune's in the follow-up. That's why we send out emails because you got to follow up with people because people generally don't buy something after their first exposure. They need at least like 7 to 10 exposures before they buy things. Okay. So these emails are sending people to your sales page, your website, and so are the videos. Okay. So step number three, we just need a way for people to discover our business. Because if they don't discover our link, if they don't discover our business, we're not going to make any money, right? So this is when marketing comes into play. You have to promote your business. Okay. So here's our 2 hour workday strategy. It's inside of the program. There's like a little training about it, like 5 minutes or something. Basically, what you're doing every day to build your email list, you're just creating 3 pieces of content, generally videos that you post to social media. Okay, shorts. Most of us we post short form videos. I do long form videos on YouTube, like videos over 10 minutes, and then I do short form videos. Okay, so you're creating three pieces of content a day, right? And then you can also go live. So just by creating content and going live, what you can do is grow your social media following from scratch. Okay, you start a brand new social media account just for your business, and you're posting content every day. You're going live, and what you're doing is you're growing your social media following because you're training the algorithms. The algorithms are going to push your content out to people that are actually interested in what you have. Okay. So create content, go live. You're driving traffic. You're sending people to your link. Okay. You're building your email list. And once they're inside of your automations, they can buy from you at any time. And then you just want to go through some training inside of our program, inside of our community. Like we have a daily training from a millionaire. It's like 2 to 5 minutes. You watch that every day and you implement what you learn. Not only, you got to implement. Okay. You watch the training and you implement it into your business because the training is designed for you to grow your business fast, for you to attract customers fast. Okay. So create content, go live, and then just go through training. That's the 2 hour workday. That's what you have to do every single day to build your business. Okay. And the cool thing is you don't have to work like a maniac, right? We have a 2 hour workday, but you can like save a bunch of content, create a bunch of content, save it in your drafts, and just post it throughout the week, even the month. If you want to take a couple, if you want to just you can work around your schedule, right? But you want to be posting content every day, whether you're creating it and saving it in the drafts, batch creating, or just, doing it every day. Either way, you want to be posting your content every day. Okay. But this is totally flexible because you can do it around your schedule, right? Even if you have a job, just 30 minutes here, 30 minutes there. Most people that start their business, they already have a job. Okay. Now, this is a goal. This is a plan for you to get out of that job. Okay. Keep building this business until you make enough money and then you can quit that job. So if you want to learn more, go to the link in my bio. Okay, go to the link in my bio, sevenfiguremonk.com. Right, go there, put in your best email, check your spam, check your promotions folder for the word blueprint, because I'm going to be sending you a freedom formula blueprint. It's going to show you how to make 10K in 30 days. And if you have any questions, reply to my emails. You can unsubscribe at any time. Now I'm going to share my screen with you. I'm going to show you what this business looks like. Okay. And I'm going to show you what the community looks like and how to get started. So right here is the website or the sales page. So basically, this is how the automations work, right? Like we give you this done for you sales funnel, high converting sales funnel. This is how you make passive income. So this is the first page, okay, right? Someone clicks on your link, they're going to go to something like this. You're going to have your own landing page, capture page. So what you're doing is you're capturing emails, okay? You're building your email list. So when people click on your link, they're going to go here, right? And you can even customize this to suit you. I mean, you can like we give you like 3 done for you landing pages and you can customize them if you want. Okay. You can also learn how to create your own capture pages, your own sales funnel. You can learn all that stuff too inside of the system that we use. Okay. So people go here, they put their email in, you're building your email list, then it takes them here. Okay. This is the next page. After they put it in their email, it's a thank you page. Now this video is going to like answer the questions, do the selling for you. There's testimonials on this page from people inside of our community, the results they're having. Okay. And then there's another video that we send out in people's emails. Again, this video is answering questions and doing the selling for you. And then it takes them to the sales page or the website. Okay. And this is the website. All of this is created for you. You just got to set it up. You can set it up in like a day. Okay. So you're going to have your own website. So these are the 4 different digital products that we sell. So this is how you can earn $100, $300, $600, and $900 over and over again. Okay. And I'll just show you what the website looks like really quick. Just looks like this. We've done $29 million in sales in 10 months. That means we've sold $29 million worth of these products in 10 months, paid out to the members inside of our community. Okay, we teach you how to get your first sale in 7 days. You become a licensed reseller. You become certified to resell these products. So you go through this little training, and then once you finish that, then you understand the do's and the don'ts when it comes to digital marketing and how to market these products. Most people don't have a certification training like we have. And most people don't have a community like we have, where you get live mentoring from 6 and 7 figure income earners. I've never seen it. Okay. Apart from this community, I've never seen it. I'm not saying it doesn't exist. I'm saying I've never seen it. Okay. So you're going to have your own branded website. You see how here's me. This picture of me in Nepal, right? I was in Nepal, and that's a picture of me. You just put your picture on the website. You put your little bio. You can use ChatGPT to help you figure out what to say in your bio. Okay. ChatGPT can write your bio for you. Just tell it what you want it to write. It will do it for you. So this is kind of what your website's going to look like. You see, here's me hanging out with the owner of the program. I know her personally. Like I'm friends with her and her boyfriend, who are both millionaires. They drive Porsches. They created this program. She does mentoring inside of our community, like, daily mentoring and weekly mentoring inside of the community. Okay. Her name's Michelle. So you'll see her inside of the community. I know her personally. We also do live events. I met her during these live events. So here's the 4 different digital products that we have. Okay. There's also payment plans for you and your customers. And yeah, that's basically what the website looks like. So people can go to your website, they purchase the 100, the 300, the 600, or the 900. Okay, so if someone purchases the $900 product, right, they get all four. So you get all the information inside of the product, and then you have the resale rights to all four products. So you can make 100, 300, 600, and $900 over and over again. Okay, if you start at like the $100 product, then you can only earn on that level. You can only earn at the level you are and then what's below you. Okay, so if you start at the 100, you can only earn 100 over and over again. But you can upgrade later. You got like 30 days to upgrade. So you just got to pay the difference between the prices of the program. So if you want to get started with this business, yeah, so here's also these bonuses, and yeah, that's basically what the website looks like. You can go to my website, sevenfiguremonk.com, and you can see for yourself. You can read everything. So if you wanted to get started with this program, all you have to do is purchase one of these programs and then pay $39 for your website. And after that, you're going to have instant access to your program, to your products, and to the community. Okay, so once you get started, then basically you're going to have access to your products, right? So let me just log in real quick. Right? So here's where you have access to your products, and here's a certification training that you have access to. Okay, you go through the certification training, and then your bonuses are here. And yeah, that's where you have access to your bonuses, like how to create digital products, you know, how to do faceless marketing if you want to do faceless. And here's all the products, right? The Launchpad, the Passive Daily Pay Blueprint, the Digital Mastery, and the Legacy Builders. So let's say you purchase the Legacy Builders. Okay, that's a $900 product. It's a top selling product. Okay, so you just go inside the modules, click here to get started. You watch that. And one of the first things you got to do is set up your website. Okay, so this is going to show you how to set up your website. You got to go to GoDaddy, get your own domain and email address. It's going to show you how to do that. Okay, and then you got to set up your payment gateways because that's how we get paid. So like you set up your Square account, PayPal account, or Stripe account. Okay, so this is going to show you how to connect your domain and how to connect your payment gateways. And then once it's finished, it's going to look like something like this, right? You're going to have your own automated system, just like me. Okay, and then after you set up your website, you just have to go here and you watch this launch kit for your online business. Okay, this is going to show you how to get your first sale in 7 days. So this is the product, the training, the information, the video modules. That's the product. So you just watch all these videos, you take notes, and you implement what you learn until you get your first sale. Okay, it's going to show you the 2 hour workday, right? And then after you get your first sale, you're just following the 2 hour workday. So every day you're just posting videos, posting content, going live, whatever you want to do. If you don't want to go live at first, just post more videos. You can also copy and paste free ads. That's another strategy we have. So then you just want to go through and watch all these trainings over time. That's the product, right? So marketing and social media, mastering storytelling, branding your business, how to craft a message, build a recurring income stream, email marketing and list building, how to use ChatGPT, how to create your own products. Okay. So you're going to learn everything you need to know about digital marketing and about how to scale your business to 6 and 7 figures online. You're going to learn everything you need to know about how to do that. So let's go inside of the community. Okay. So you just want to go here, introduce yourself when you get started. If you have any questions, you just type it here. Okay. And let's go to the wins. Let's see. See, she made $900 while traveling for the 4th of July. Got a $900 ding on my drive. Okay. Boom. Right. So our top selling product sells for 900. Let's see. See, people post all kinds of stuff. They post all kinds of stuff, but I just want to show you the money wins right now. See, this person passed the certification. He finished the certification training. Okay, look at this. Matthew, 900 came in while at my job. See, you can have a job and do this business on the side. And imagine if you make an extra 900. You make an extra 900 a month, that's 10K a year. You make 5 sales a month, that's 50K a year. You make 10 sales a month, that's 100K a year. Okay. Is your job going to pay you an extra 100K this year? Probably not. So, like, in my opinion, like the best thing to do is start a side business, start a side hustle. And then once you make enough money with your side business, you can quit your job and do your business full time. Because in my personal experience and opinion, building a business like this is so much more fun than building someone else's business. That's just my personal experience. I've been doing this for a year. So, okay, here's more training in the classroom, getting started here, mindset training, social media training, and in the calendar, this shows you when we have the live mentoring calls, system welcoming new members. Okay, we're welcoming new members, I guess. This is where all the 6 and 7 figure like mentoring, coaching calls happen. So you got to check the calendar for that. Yeah, and that's about it. So I basically showed you everything. So if you want to If you want to learn more, just go to my website, go to sevenfiguremonk.com. Go there, just put in your best email, check your spam, check your promotions folder for the word blueprint. You can reply to my messages. You can reply to my emails to communicate with me. That's how we communicate with people, through our emails. And you can unsubscribe at any time. Okay, so make sure you like this video. Share this video with somebody you know. If you know somebody who needs to, who's looking for ways to make more money, well, this is the best opportunity that I've ever found. I've tried for like 5 years looking for an opportunity like this. This is by far the best I've found because we earn 100% profit. It's high ticket marketing. Top selling product sells for 900. The business is automated so you can make money in your sleep. Then we have the community where there's training and support. So everything you need to be successful, right? By far the best business that I've ever tried. I'm just being honest. Okay. From my experience. So yeah. And just make sure you subscribe to the channel. And yeah. And I'm just gonna keep posting videos about how to build this business, about marketing, sales, mindset, personal development, all these kinds of things. Because mindset, goes along with building businesses, right? So mindset's very important. That's why mindset training as well. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Yeah, and just if you're seeing opportunity here, just get started, because the faster you get started, the faster you can start learning and earning. Okay. Like every day that you don't learn how to make money online, you're costing yourself money. So check out the information, watch the videos, check out the PDF. And if you see an opportunity, just get started. If you have questions, reply to my emails. And otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. God bless.